First, we will create the Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Then we will install MySQL server. Okay, if you have already Amazon Linux 2023 EC2, then directly install MySQL. Okay, connect to AWS Management Console. Then click on EC2 or search for EC2, or go to services. Then click on compute. Then select the EC2. All three are same. Click on it. See, if you have existing instances, click on instances, or if you want to create new instance, click on launch instance. Then click on launch instances and select the region. I am going to create Amazon Linux 2023 in North Virginia. Okay, so select the version, then provide the name. I am giving AMG 2023 EC2. Then in AMIs, select the Amazon Linux, then select AMI 2023. Then select the instance type. I am going to select, see, I am going to select T3 small. Okay, these two are the free tier eligible, so I am going to select T3 small for this demo purpose. Then create key pair. Click on create new key pair. Then provide the name. I am giving same as EC2 instance. Then key pair type RSA file format .pem. Then click on create key pair. See, once we click on key pair, it has downloaded .pem file. Okay. Then networking. See, here we don't have any VPCs, so create VPC. Even subnet also we don't have anything. Even if you reload, see, we don't have anything. Okay, so search for VPC. Then right click on this service. Then opening link in new tab. Then go to here. The region must be same as this EC2. Okay, close this one. Now create VPC. Click on create VPC. Then I am going to select this default settings, VPC and more. Remaining options I am not going to change. Then click on create VPC. See, VPC is created. Now go to here, refresh. See, VPC is created. Again subnet, refresh. I am going to select public. Then auto assign public IP. Select enable. Then firewalls or security groups. I am going to create new one. So I am giving AMG is 2023 EC2. Remaining options I am not going to change anything. Then advanced configuration. This also I am going with the defaults. Memory I am giving 30 gigabytes because free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. Remaining option, if you want to add additional volume, you have to click on here. Then advanced details. If you want, I am going to enable this one. Remaining I am not going to change. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then click on launch instance. See, successfully launched the instance. Click on instance ID. See, instance state is running. Now connect to this Amazon Linux EC2 instance. Click on connect. See, here we have 4 options. You can connect from EC2 instance connect or SSH client, SSH manager, EC2 serial console. Okay, I am going to connect by using SSH client. So this is the command. Now open shell, that is command prompt or terminal. Then go to the path where the FEM file is there. It is there in DU downloads. If you run Windows, verify by running dir star.pem. See, we have the PEM file. Okay, if you are on terminal, give the ls-ltrh star.pem. Okay, so control it. So clear the screen. Now paste it, hit enter, type S and hit enter. This is one way. Otherwise, go to here, click on EC2 console. Then you have to select and you have to click on connect. Both are same. Okay. Now we will install the MySQL server. Go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Now select the MySQL community server. Then select the MySQL 8.0.42. Then select the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux, because Amazon Linux 2023 is based on RHEL 9. Okay, see, once we selected, then select the OS version. I am going to select RHL9. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages. Those needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Then right click on this one. Copy link address. Then go to terminal. Duplicate. Paste it. Hit enter. See here, its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Ls, see here we have the tar file. We have to enter it tar-xf, then give MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter. It is done. Ls, see here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. Okay, so install them. Sudo rpm-ivh-nodeps star.rpm. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl-L. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo Ctrl-L sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the same. See, MySQL Server is started. Okay, now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the MySQL user account. So we can get the temporary root password by going to more/var/log mysqld.log. So we have to run this with sudo. Then pipe grep password. See, this is the temporary password for root account. Set the password for root account. Sudo mysql_secure_installation. Hit enter. Then copy this password. Paste it. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. See, we have successfully set the password. I don't want. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Remove tested database to access it. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Ctrl-L to clear screen. Now connect to MySQL Server on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of the root account that we have set now. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases. Also see here we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now create a database. Verify the same. Ctrl-L. Show databases. See, we have created database bank. Let us connect to this database and create a table. To connect to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, now database changed. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. It is not tables, it is just table. Hit enter. See, it is successfully created. Show tables. See, we have created table. Ctrl-A. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Ctrl-A. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL Server in 8.0.42. Let us create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user. Okay, now we will connect MySQL Server with this new user. Exit, Ctrl L, mysql-u, the new username is David-p. Then provide the password of this David user that we have given. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Okay, Ctrl A. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Hit enter. It is stopped. Verify again. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL is inactive or dead. Okay. You can also try to connect to MySQL Server. mysql-u root-p. Put the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL Server is stopped. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is active and running. Ctrl L to clear screen. ls. See, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm.rpm. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file, remove it also. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance.